Army Joy Pagulong from the Philippine Star also has 2 questions for you guys. What message do you hope to convey to your fans through the concert?
After yung fans, for the OG fans, this is gonna be a treat for all of you, and itong concert na to, it's a way for us to give back din sa mga nagstay and sa mga bumalik ever since nung nag-start pa lang kami, sa lahat naman ng pagdaanan namin. And sa mga new fans, sa mga new aces, ito yung way namin para magpakilala, to show you guys what we've got. And gusto namin sabihin sa inyo na you guys are welcome and it's gonna be a fun ride for everyone.
Okay, yeah, I'm so excited for you guys. So enough from me and enough from everyone who sent in the questions. We also have some people who want to personally ask you questions. So let's start with Jacqueline Megan Ortega from Soundcheck Manila. Ayan, sita na po tayo dito.
Jacqueline.
So aside from Miss Jacqueline, while she's coming up here on stage for the mic, you can also ask some follow-up questions personally kasi we still have a lot of time. So mag-raise na lang po tayo ng hand. Ito na lang po, Miss Jacqueline. Ayan, okay. There na lang po pala sa kabila.
Okay lang po yan, Miss Jacqueline.
Here, tuloy ako.
Hi guys.
Hello. Hello po.
Hello po.
Congrats sa EP nyo.
Thank you po.
Pero ba, can you give a konting teaser, bakit aloe vera? Kasi parang sinasabi nyo na skincare, diba? Sa interview nyo sa RS. Kahit teaser siguro ng dalawang songs na we've heard. Bakit? Kahit siguro inspiration.
From the teaser a while ago, pag narinig mo yung chorus, it says, "Baby, I can soothe your heart like aloe."
Oh.
So that's what we want to do.
Yes. Okay.
Pero pwede din skincare.
Habang nag-skip.
Skincare. So, a second question ka is, kasi grabe sked nyo from Bangkok to England. So, how do you guys avoid burnout? Parang feeling ko pag pagod kayo, mas makulit kayo. Tama ba? Oo, diba? So how do you guys avoid burnout?
No, when we feel burned out, I mean, we haven't been getting burned out, diba? We've been relaxing. After work, we take our personal time po, tapos we try our best to recover kasi from Bangkok to UK, we already started our preparation for the concert. So we took the time to make it our me time and just recharge and do what we need to do for our mental health and for our body.
Tsaka tama po yun yung pag sinabi niyo po na kapag pagod kami, mas makulit kami. Kasi siguro yun yung way namin para malimutan na pagod na kami physically tsaka mentally. Kasi parang naisip na lang namin siya na parang naglalaro lang kami, gano'n. Tapos after na, itatawa na lang namin yung mga nangyari kanina. Gano'n.
Okay, thank you. And napapanood ko rin kayo sa ASAP, sa show tayo.
Thank you.
So I'm so happy see you guys grow din yung my own little way. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Jacqueline.
Thank you, Miss Jacqueline. Nakakatuwa yung media and press friends natin. Kilala na kayo dahil matagal na rin kayo nakakasama. Chinichika ko sila kanina na. Isa sila sa mga OG, for sure. OG na nandito. And true yan, when you love what you do, work doesn't feel like work. So I'm just so happy seeing everyone na nakasmile lang, ganyan, kahit late na natatapos, then the next day maaga, ganyan. Oo, tumatawa lang, nag-e-end. But the floor is open for more questions. Meron pa bang gustong magtanong? This is your moment, guys. Meron pa ba from our media friends, press, and partners?
Huwag na po kayo magturuan. Huwag na po kayo maniya.
Come up front.
Ito po.
Ito na po. Yan. Feel free to use the mic.
May kasama po yung performance ko.
Okay, so hi boys, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you po.
I'm sure you guys have looked back at your first performance and then now. Do you feel na gumaling na kayo?
Yes. Kasi looking back sa mga past performance namin, napapaisip na kami na, wow, ang laki ng difference from before to now. Before kasi ito nagka-perform ko, parang iniisip pa namin ko, ay, ganun. So ngayon parang mas natural na for yeah, we're very proud and grateful sa mga mentors namin who trained us.
Napansin ko ko rin sa grupo namin as isa-isa sa amin. Ang pinaka nag-improve din sa amin is yung confidence. Kumbaga, mas napapakita namin ang natural way pero rin sinabi niya.
Siguro last for me is, I'm sure all of you have been busy with your solo work, and then all of you have been doing a great job with your solo work as well. Pero how do you remind yourselves na at the end of the day, we're still BGYO and we're representing BGYO?
Hindi na po kayo na-remind kasi yun na po talaga yung nakatatak sa isip namin. If ever we do solo stuff, babalik at babalik pa rin. Main priority pa rin is always the group because that's what started it. That's the most important.
Congratulations po.
Thank you, Bob.
And thank you. Matik na siya mag-perform ng all these ladies. Ayan, thank you so much. Anyone else wants to ask a question? Okay, dito na po tayo sa harap.
Ayun.
Ay, there na lang? Okay, sige.
Hello po.
Milestone for this year for BGYO. My question is, meron pa ba kayong like wishes for yourselves? Syempre, manifestation na nga sabi nga. So what do you guys wish for yourself na you want to achieve right now?
Feeling ko more concerts. Ayan, manifestation na naman. And nasimulan na yung first solo concert. So siguro after ng solo concert na to, more performances, more music, and more people to inspire. And of course, more concert na. And malay natin, baka mag-world tour, something. Ayun.
Ako pinaka-manifest ko po is sana ma-acknowledge kami globally and mahalin kami ng buong Pilipinas. And of course, makapagkaroon ng mga big awards and makapag-perform sa mga big music festivals or concerts. Katulad ng sabi natin.
Ako siguro naman yung Aces. Sana mas dumami pa sila yung to the point na magpe-perform kami sa isang malaking stadium na lahat sila. Sobrang, ano yun, hawak na
Ocean. Hindi pa.
Much. I think there's another one.
Ano din?
Sige po.
Meron ka mga intel dito.
bumubulong pa siya.
Meron din palang i-celebrate din today. Nalika na birthday na ni Jay.
Syempre. Si Jonah Bell.
Salamat
Happy
po.
birthday!
Thank you po.
Bukod sa birthday wishes for your group, ano yung, ayan na.
Ayan na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wish. Secret daw. Secret.
Yay! Ang dami
Thank you
namin
po. Thank you po, World Christians. Thank you. Sorry po. Sasagutin ko na po yung tanong. Bukod sa success ng BGYO, wala na po bang ibang iniiling kundi sa lahat ng mga na-achieve namin, lahat ng ginagawa namin. Gusto ko lang na maging masaya lang kaming lima palagi together. Yun lang yung laging win-wish. Yun po. Thank you so much.
Ay, ganda na.
And also, happy birthday to si Joey.
Happy birthday, JL! Siyempre naman. Batiin natin si JL. Parang na-awkward siya kanina. Mas ipa-awkward pa natin
naisip ko
ngayon.
lang, parang tumatanda na ako eh. Yun yung ano sa utak ko eh. 20 po, magta-24.
Okay lang, young at heart. Yun ang mahalaga. Wala sa itsura. Nasa puso lang yun. Happy birthday, JL! Batiin naman natin siya sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, JL!
Thanks po kayo.
Thank you, everyone. And thank you, World Kitchen. Thank you so much, BGYO. So
Thank you
that's
po.
all the time we have for the question. Thank you so much. Nag-enjoy kami sa preview ng mga kanta. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ayan, nag-enjoy sa food, nag-enjoy sa interview, and nag-enjoy sa mga kanta. So thank you once again, World Kitchens, for hosting us today. And syempre sa friends natin, sa media and partners, palakpakan nyo naman yung sarili ninyo. Thank you so much. We know that you have a lot going on in your day and may mga kasunod pa kayong trabaho. So maraming salamat. And of course, BGYO, congratulations once again sa lahat ng milestones, and we are always hoping and praying for bigger and better things for you. So maraming salamat. This has been VJ Ea. Thank you and good afternoon, everyone. Maraming salamat.